Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this short video, to help you to use the Excel to achieve your goal to prepare your lab report and help you manipulate your data and draw your graph and find the list of your graph. One important thing to notice that in Excel we can have different ways of achieving the same goal. So if you are familiar with another way to do the task or to reach the goal, no problem, you can use it. But I will demonstrate here through my experience what I find most easy to do the task. So we start with Newton's second law experiment. Already I prepared the table that I'm going to work with. And already also I entered the data, the experimental data that I took in the lab. So I entered my x minus x node data with the error. So for example, if I find somebody or a student will write the data without the error, like this, the whole column, the whole data will be considered as 0 and you will lose the mark for all the data. You need to tell me what is the uncertainty in your data. We are doing a lab and nothing in the lab is certain. So you need to tell me how much you are uncertain in your data collection. Also the time, I enter the time and I put here at the top, I put the error or how much I was uncertain. And this is the error of the electronic gate that we use to get the data. So all my experimental data must have an error. Without an error, you will lose the mark completely. Now I need to find the average data. So I entered my equation, equal. When you want to write an equation into Excel in a cell, you enter equal, and then open two quotes divided by 3. So because I need to add the 3 and divide by 3, now I put this one plus this one plus the third one. Does not show, so I'll just enter it manually. CD, so plus E4. So this is my first average. You see here is 4 significant digits, 3 significant digits. I don't know how many digits I will show, so I will go for format cell and I'll give it more. 4 digits after the decimal, 5 digits after the decimal. I will decide only how many digits after I calculate the error. So I go here, I drag it. So now all my cells have the same equation. Now I go to the standard deviation, equal. There is a function built in Excel for standard deviation. Usually we choose this function, double click on it, and then I just choose the 3, enter. That's my standard deviation. I drag it, so all my cells have standard deviation. Also, I don't choose how many digits to show here until I know the error. So the error equal standard deviation equal standard deviation, which is this, divided by, between quotes, that's the square root, and then I did 3 measurements. And also for the error, I show more than 1 digit, and then I drag. So this is my error. This is my error. Now we apply the rules. First, error is 1 significant digit. So that means I tell the Excel show me just 2 digits. And now this 2 digits, and this 2 digits also. Let's leave the 0 for a moment. So this is 3 digits. So I go to Excel, so I am 3 digits, Excel. After the decimal, now it's 1 significant digit. And as you can see also this, I need to show 3 decimal places to have 1 significant digit. And now I change the standard deviation and the number to match the error, to match the error. Okay. Now let's come to the 0. Here it is 0 because I don't know, but during my experiment I have this 3 same numbers. So in that case I put the error of the device. I put the error of them because you cannot have a 0 value. So 0, 0, 1. And here 0, 0, 0, 1 manually, and I change to 1 significant digit, so I make it show 3 decimals to convert my error to 1 significant digit. If you don't understand what I'm doing, just repeat the video slowly, more than 1 time, you will get it. You will get it. Now I'll do x minus x node. This is x minus x node divided by t average. This is my t average. This one t average. So equal. This is x minus x node divided by t average. And I don't know the error, so I will just show many digits after the decimal. After I know the error, I will change this number back to match the accuracy of the error. Okay.